In a world where innovation drives progress and dreams fuel ambition, one man's vision stands out as a beacon of hope and transformation. Meet Mr. Mufareh, the visionary leader behind a company that is redefining the way we connect, innovate, and thrive in a digital age. With a relentless passion for community and an unwavering commitment to innovation, Mr. Mufareh has assembled a team of trailblazers, dedicated experts who are crafting solutions to challenges that have long hindered the average internet user. Together, they are building a platform rooted in trust. This is more than just a company. This is a movement. A movement inspired by the belief that success should be accessible to all, that technology can be both groundbreaking and benevolent, and that together we can create a brighter future. Imagine a world where financial stability is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality, where communities come together, united by a shared purpose to improve lives. This is the world envisioned by Mr. Mufareh and brought to life through his groundbreaking enterprise. To those who have hoped, prayed, and dreamed for a better tomorrow, the wait is over. This company is the difference maker, a force for good that promises not only to transform the internet, but to transform lives. It's a testament to the power of vision. Join us in celebrating this incredible journey and take part in a future where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, for your commitment to making the world a better place. Together, we are building a legacy of hope.